A very good afternoon. Assalamu alaikum, namaskara, sat sri akal. I, Uzma Irfan, am the host for the afternoon. Welcome to the fabulous virtual launch of Prestige. You just saw what we did in 2019. Dil tham ke baith jao, 2020 mein hum kya karenge? 2020, I know it's already August, but we have a lot in store for you. Today is the day where we will reveal the next big thing in Bangalore, South Bangalore, the project that everyone has been waiting for. So hold on, fasten your seat belts as we will begin the launch in a moment on the auspicious day of Ganesha. What better day could we have chosen? Happy Ganesha to one and all your families. Before we continue, as is the tradition at Prestige, let's begin with the blessings of the Almighty. I welcome Maulana Saab to do the Khirat. Assalamu alaikum Maulana Saab.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولله ملك السماوات والأرض والله على كل شيء قدير إن في خلق السماوات والأرض واختلاف الليل والنهار لآيات لأولي الألباب الذين يذكرون الله قياما وقعودا وعلى جنوبهم ويتفكرون في خلق السماوات والأرض ربنا ما خلقت هذا باطلا سبحانك فقنا عذاب النار ربنا إنك من تدخل النار فقد أخذيته وما للظالمين من أنصار ربنا إننا سمعنا مناديا ينادي للإيمان أن آمنوا بربكم فآمنا ربنا فاغفر لنا ذنوبنا وكفر عنا سيئاتنا وتوفنا مع الأبرار ربنا وآتنا ما وعدتنا على رسلك ولا تخزنا يوم القيامة إنك لا تخلف الميعاد صدق الله مولانا العظيم.
Shukriya Maulana Saab. So ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the biggest reveal? The next big thing in Bangalore? Actually, South Bangalore. The moment all of you have been eagerly waiting for is finally here. The reveal is going to be the luckiest for those who take decisions immediately. You know what? It's time for you to take out your checkbooks. Or my team, start taking the booking forms and start booking now. So now, I call upon Mr. Swaroop Anish, Executive Director, Prestige Group. All of you know him, right? He will give you more information about the project and the brief on the program.
Hello and a very good afternoon to all of you out there. Today is a very special day for the Prestige Group. Let me first thank Uzma for that wonderful introduction and then get on with the rest of my welcome. Today marks the launch of Prestige Primrose Hills, our premier development in South Bangalore. It's a very special day because we have a virtual launch which reaches out to thousands of people, rather millions of people, as against a physical meeting which we would have normally had at a property or in our corporate office. It marks a wonderful opportunity for all of you out there to understand our project and to be quick buyers for our development. To tell you a lot more about this development, I would now welcome Praveer Srivatsava, who is the head of our sales, come on board and to give you a detailed presentation. At the end of the presentation, we'd be really happy to take any questions which you have. I welcome each one of you to this webcast and thank you for your support as always. Hi Praveer.
Hello Mr. Swaroop.
Before I hand you over to Praveer for his detailed presentation, let me tell you that buying a home today is super important. You spending a lot of time at home, some of you are even working out of home. So having a nice home in a great community makes enormous sense. Do consider Prestige Primrose Hills as your home. It's a great option. And now I hand you over to Praveer for his detailed presentation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Let me begin by thanking Mr. Swaroop for the lovely introduction, and let me welcome once again one and all of you to the first ever global launch of Prestige Primrose Hills. Like Mr. Swaroop said, in the last few weeks, the world has changed around us. Never before has one realized the importance of home more than now. In the past few weeks, the home has been your world. It has been your play area, it has been your shelter, it has been the fitness zone, it has been the work area for you. We at Prestige take pride in developing managed communities where the resident does not need to worry about sanitization, about visitor entry, about contactless delivery, about supply of essentials and groceries. We make sure the resident lives happily in our communities. And that is what a home buyer today is looking for. Add to that, Bangalore continues to grow like ever. And the interest rates today are at a historic low. Never before has there been such a good opportunity to buy a property. Last year, we brought to you two fabulous projects, Prestige Elysian in South Bangalore and Prestige Finsbury Park in North Bangalore. And we are thankful to you for making them a huge success. This year, we are launching the next big thing in Bangalore, Prestige Primrose Hills. Prestige Primrose Hills is going to be a great destination for investment and for end use. It enjoys excellent connectivity to all parts of Bangalore. It has ready social infrastructure around it. It is located in a prime residential zone. It is a premium full feature development from Prestige, and above all, it comes at a great value. Let me go through each of these things in detail in the next 10 to 15 minutes with you. Before we begin with the detailed presentation, let's have a quick walkthrough of the property. Let me start by introducing the location of Prestige Primrose Hills to you. On my right, you can look at the location map. This Prestige Primrose Hills is very nicely located close to Nice Road and close to Metro in South Bengaluru. Let us go through a small drone video to make you understand the world around Prestige Primrose Hills better. As you saw in the video, Primrose Hills boasts of a great location, a very well-connected location in South Bengaluru. It's just 1.5 kilometers from Kanakpura Road, from the nearby metro station, from Nice Road, all of this connected to the entire South and East Bengaluru. So all work hubs in HSR, in Electronic City, on Hosur Road, everything is nearby. What's more, through metro, you can reach to Majestic or the railway station in just 20 to 25 minutes. That's the location that Primrose Hills boasts of. Primrose Hills has great social infrastructure all around. Whether it is schools, whether it is good quality healthcare, whether it is malls, whether it is work hubs and technology zones, everything is nearby. Great schools such as Kumarans, DPS and many more are a quick drive from Primrose Hills. And so are malls such as Metro, Vega City, Arena Mall and the upcoming Prestige Forum Mall at Falcon City. Good quality healthcare, which is the need of the hour, is also just a short drive away. Whether it is Fortis Hospital, Apollo Hospital, Sagar Hospital or BGS Global Hospital, all of them are very near to Primrose Hills. The bustling markets of Jayanagar can be your evening spot when you're living at Primrose Hills. It's just 20 minutes drive from here. Technology hubs, the office workspaces at Electronic City, at Global Village Tech Park, at Kalyani Magnum Tech Park, all of them are just a zip drive away of 20 to 25 minutes from Prestige Primrose Hills. All of these are very well connected through the nice roads. Let's take a look at some of the brands in vicinity where your office can be and where it will be easy for you to commute without worrying about the traffic of the city and reach there in just a few minutes. Primrose Hills is in the prime residential zone of Banashankari Stage 6 in South Bangalore. It's all surrounded by BDA planned layouts with exclusive open space and greenery at the background. You can actually begin to feel that you are at a hill station. There's a quick commute that you have from Kanakpura Road to the site via a wide arterial road. Also, there is absolutely no traffic on this interior approach road. You'll be delighted to know that Kaveri line, BWSSB line is already there in the vicinity, and the surroundings are already inhabited. So, Primrose Hills is habitable from day one. It is a premium development. It is a full feature development from Prestige. It is of a size of 15 acres and 13 guntas with a total of 1680 apartments in 15 towers. The possession of this place will come up on or before May 2024. The number of floors for each of these towers located in Primrose Hills will be basement plus tilt plus 14 floors. We have a mix of 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom apartments in this project. In total, there will be 336 1-bedroom and 1344 2-bedroom apartments. Like I said, 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom is the mix in this project that we are going for. It is a highly affordable project, but at the same time, we have not cut any corners with respect to the specifications as well as the sizing of the apartment. All these apartments boast of great usable areas and absolutely fascinating layouts. The super built up of 1-bedroom apartment is 572 square feet to 589 square feet, and the carpet area would be approximately 384 to 393 square feet. The 2-bedroom apartments will come with a super built up area of 867 square feet to 988 square feet with a carpet area of 605 to 642 apartments. Now, let me take you to Primrose Hills and introduce you to my team. So now I have with me Mr. Guru Prasad, who's heading the project sales team and would be delighted to welcome you at the site. Hi Guru, please introduce your team to our viewers and also give us a glimpse of what Prestige Primrose Hills has on offer for them at the site.
Let me introduce myself. Myself Guru Prasad. So I'll be the project manager for Prestige Primrose Hills along with my team members Dadapir, Sudhir Kumar and Yatin Shetty. So we'll be part of the project and we'll be available all 7 days a week. The morning 10 to 7 in the evening. And in case if you're not able to make a visit, we are available on a virtual tour. You can reach us out and contact us for any clarifications and site visits. Thank you. Give you a brief introduction about the property. This is a 15 acres residential development coming up with 1 and 2 bedroom apartments ranging from 567 square feet to 985 square feet. This project has been developed in 2 phases. Phase 1 completion will be by May 2024 and phase 2 completion will be by September 2024. So we're coming up with 15 towers with one single level basement car parking, stilt level car parking and 14 floor structure. Out of 15 towers, 3 towers will have only single bedroom apartments. The rest 12 towers will have only 2 bedroom apartments. So we'll have a clubhouse with all indoor amenities like badminton courts, squash court, gymnasium, health club, party hall, provision for a supermarket and a swimming pool in the clubhouse. And outdoor we got a long tennis court, basketball court, cricket practice net and aside football court, open amphitheatre and landscaped areas and senior citizen park. So the project is launched. This is with the BBMP and BDA approval. All sanctions have been obtained and constructions will commence from October this year. So we got a clubhouse with all indoor facilities like badminton court, squash court, gymnasium, health club, swimming pool, provision for a supermarket in the clubhouse. And we got an outdoor long tennis court, basketball court, cricket practice net and aside football ground with an open amphitheatre and all other outdoor amenities, open gym. So the project will get commenced from October this year. The construction will go on continuously. Okay, let me take you around with our show homes. So there's a 2-bedroom unit with the 924 square feet of super built up area with a carpet of 631 square feet. Okay, we are entering with the main entrance foyer. We're entering the home. This is our living and dining area. Now we're entering to the kitchen. We're entering towards the master bedroom. So this is our master bedroom, which is 11 by 12 square feet. Now we'll take you to the second bedroom. This is our common bathroom. Now we are taking you through one bedroom unit, which is 572 square feet of super built up area, and carpet area is around 384 square feet. This is our entrance foyer with living and dining area and balcony opening from living. With this, we are ending with our Prestige Primrose Hills project brief and show home tour. Mr. Praveer will take it forward. Thank you. Over to you, Praveer.
Thank you, Guru. Happy selling to you and all our colleagues. Let me now take you to the release plan of this project. In the first release, we will be launching Towers 1, 2 and 13. Towers 1 and 2 are 2-bedroom unit towers and Tower 13 is 1-bedroom unit tower. These 3 towers put together will constitute the initial launch. Let me now introduce our viewers to the unit plan of 1 BHK. The 1 BHK plan has a super built up area of 589 square feet and a net usable area of 423 square feet, which is 72% of the saleable area of the unit. We have 3 more options available in 1 BHK: 572 square feet, 584 square feet and 589 square feet. Let me now take you to the 2 BHK plan, which constitutes the majority of our project. The first plan that I am showing to you is 867 square feet built up area. In this plan, you have a carpet area of 605 square feet and a total usable area of 73%. As you can see in the plan, whether it is 1 BHK or 2 BHK units, we have not compromised on the internal layout, the spaces available for you to have a happy living experience. All balconies are minimum 4 feet width. All room sizes are minimum 10 feet in either of the dimensions. The kitchen space is comfortable and spacious. While we are providing good livable areas, the overall size of the apartment is still under control. It's still affordable. Let me take you through another plan, which is 924 square feet of super built up area. Again, please notice the net usable area even in this plan is 73%. Again, great layout, great internal spaces. Like you can see on the screen, there are variety of options available for 2 BHK plans with us. More you can explore in the brochures or connecting with our sales team. This is another plan with 2 balconies in the apartment. A 2 BHK plan with 2 balconies, 988 square feet of super built up area. So, let me recap for you what are the highlights of our floor plans. All the floor plans are efficiently planned with minimum corridor spaces. The net usable area for each of these layouts hovers between 71% to 73%. All the plans are Vastu friendly. We have absolutely no south facing apartments in the entire 1680 apartment project. The minimum room width is 10 feet. The minimum balcony width is 4 feet. And the kitchen layout is efficiently planned and spaciously planned. Let me now also take you to the conveniences which are spread out in this project. When you are living in Primrose Hills, life will never be boring. You have a swimming pool, badminton court, table tennis, basketball, cricket practice net, leisure lawns, meditation area, health club, multi-purpose hall, supermarket, pet park, creche and whole host of greens all around you. This is what makes Primrose Hills a luxury project, a premium project from Prestige. While it is a premium project, the price does not need to be premium again. We will provide you with the best value for this project. Let me demonstrate to you what the locality is priced at by using another one of our project as an example. This other project, Prestige Falcon City, is a very well known and very well received project by all the customers. It is located just 5 kilometers from our project on Kanakpura Road itself. Just a 10 minutes drive. It was launched in May 2015, and today the price of this project is 8,500 rupees per square feet. That is the potential of this area, how this area can appreciate. So, let me ask you viewers, what should be the price of a project from Prestige with similar specifications be, which is just 10 minutes drive from Prestige Falcon City? I've gone through all the details of the project. I've taken you through how well the project has been planned and how this is a full feature project with all amenities and facilities within it. Now, let me give you the best highlight of Prestige Primrose Hills, which is its attractive pricing. So, the special launch price for Prestige Primrose Hills, ladies and gentlemen, is 4,799 rupees per square feet only. A one-bedroom apartment at Prestige Primrose Hills starts at only 32.6 lakhs and a two-bedroom apartment starts at 52 lakhs. Those are very attractive prices, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure everyone will be very excited, and mind you, these prices are for an initial launch period only. So call us now to grab these prices. Let me also add, the GST for one bed apartment is 1%, and you can also take benefits under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana as per your eligibility. To make the launch offer even more exciting, let me present to you a scheme that will help you take a quick decision, take an easy decision to own this home. Presenting our exclusive launch offer for the first 250 units booked under this scheme. You can pay as little as 10% today, book the apartment and start paying your installments on your home loan only from January 2022. That is a full 15 months from now. So live tension free, live installment free for 15 months and book now. Let me just take you through some other pricing elements as well. These are the other components of the overall price. The overall price would still, for a one bedroom, start at 32.6 lakhs and for a two bedroom start at 52 lakhs. These homes are not only easy to own, but they are also easy to finance. We have credible home loan financing institutions such as HDFC, SBI, L&T and ICICI Bank on board for providing you a loan for this property. The home loan rates on Prestige Primrose Hills can start as low as 6.95% per annum. Let me tell you what it translates for you in terms of the EMIs. The EMI for a one bedroom apartment will start at some 16,500 rupees only. The EMI for a two bedroom apartment will start at around 26,000 rupees per month. That is as low as the rentals of one bedroom or two bedroom apartments in the city. So, at the cost of the rent, you can now own an apartment for yourself. So now we have come to the end of the presentation. Let me now recap for you the top reasons to book Prestige Primrose Hills today. add prestige to your life, we bring the quality and trust that Prestige is known for in this project. It's a full feature project at an affordable price. South Bangalore, where it is located, is a booming market, whether it is residential or commercial. You can walk to metro, you can drive on Nice Road and to the Kanakpura Road and to everywhere around the city. It's so well connected to all parts of the city. It's a developed locality with ready social infrastructure all around. Whether it is for your kids, for your family, for your own workplace, everything is going to be located in the vicinity. And last but not the least, 1-bedroom apartment from Prestige, 32.6 lakhs, 2-bedroom apartments from Prestige at 52 lakhs with an offer of book now and start paying installments in 2022. How better can it get? So I look forward to your inquiries. We are sure that we will be able to fulfill your expectations and go beyond. We would love to hear from you and answer all your questions. Thank you so much for logging on. I'll now hand over to Uzma for taking the presentation forward. Thank you so much.
Wow! Amazing, Praveer. Did all of you hear that? The first 250 people to book now gets a special offer. What are you waiting for? It's a lifetime offer from Prestige. Prestige Group has brought to you Prestige Primrose Hills, and whoosh! We have arrived. To those who book now, you'll be the lucky one. While you're writing your checks, let me welcome Mrs. Sudharani and Mr. Satish Manandi, our landowners, who are old Bangaloreans and known to the family for a very long time. We are very happy with this association, and inshallah, this will strengthen the bond further. Without further ado, I welcome them on stage to please say a few words.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ವಿಘ್ನಹರ್ತನಾದ ವಿಘ್ನೇಶ್ವರನು ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ, ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ, ಸಂತೋಷ ಮತ್ತು ನೂತನ ಗೃಹ ಕೊಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನಾವು ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಗೌರಿ ಗಣೇಶ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತೇವೆ.
Hi, greetings and ellarigu namaskara. It gives me immense pleasure to be talking about something which is close to our hearts. This is the land where Prestige Primrose Hill is being constructed. We Manandi family are South Bangaloreans living in Bangalore for more than 100 years and doing mainly in silk and textile business. It was 30 years back we thought about having a farm, and ever since our family, me and our family have had lots of memories here, including my daughter's wedding reception. Today it's a matter of pride and satisfaction that our farm is being converted to be a beautiful residential complex. It is our wish that all the hundreds of families who will be living here would be happy and lucky as we were here on this property. Who could be better than Prestige developers in constructing this? We have known Irfan Bhai for many years as a friend, and today that relationship is being converted to a partnership for developing a farm. Needless to say, Prestige Developers has been well known across the country for quality work, ethical business practices, translating into millions of happy customer families. It is a privilege for us to be associated with Prestige. There is no doubt anyone buying an apartment at Primrose Hill will be happy with their decisions. We would like to take this opportunity to thank Mr. Arvind Pai, Mr. Swaroop Anish and entire Prestige team who worked tirelessly over the last few years to make this happen. With the blessings of Almighty, we wish Prestige team the very best and all the success. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, with the beautiful smile, and Mr. Namanandi for your wonderful words. We too are privileged and honored by this association and relationship. Now, let me welcome the man that everyone has been waiting for. None other than the visionary, Mr. Irfan Razak, CMD Prestige Group to say a few words. Sir, you're looking amazingly smashing in your purple jacket.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I wish you a very happy Ganesha Chaturthi to all of you. It's wonderful to have you amongst us, and we also have amongst us a lot of luminaries, including our landowner, Mr. Satish Menandi, and his pretty wife. And it's a pleasure today to announce the launch of Prestige Primrose Hills. Prestige Primrose Hills, you've already heard from our team all the details about it, so I don't want to repeat what they have said. It's nestled in the hills actually, literally in the hills. You get some fabulous vistas once you are there, and that's the blessing. The other thing about Prestige Primrose Hills, the best part about it is that it is designed for the first time home buyers, people who really need a home. So we've designed single bedroom and 2-bedroom homes, but with that not only comes with huge amount of amenities like Praveer would have already told you. We have amenities that any deluxe or luxury development can boast of. Plus, most important is you have nature. You have open spaces, you have the lovely sky, you have the wind coming in from the Kanakpura side, and it's an amazing destination to have a home. And most, again, the important part is it is well connected. You've got the metro just a stone's throw away, the station. Plus, you have the nice road corridor. You can get onto it, get onto Mysore Road, get onto Electronic City, and of course can get into Bangalore City CBD through the metro or by road. So the connectivity is good, and the design is good, the open spaces are good, and it's designed for the first time home buyers. And I'm sure anybody who wants to buy a home here will really enjoy it, their children will enjoy it, their families will enjoy it, and will all grow up nurturing great memories here, and it is something for the future. So my friends, if you are looking for a home, if you want to invest in a home and you've got a budget, this is the place for it. And believe you me, this is not a budget home in the sense that it's not a badly built home or bad specs. In fact, the specs are fabulous. You can come and view our show homes. You can see the site for yourself, and you'll be delighted to see what you're getting for the money that you're paying. It's worth every penny. So I beseech you, it's an opportunity. The pricing also we've done very, very reasonably, and this price will not hold for too long. It's only for the first few units or few hundred units, and as we go along, it will keep going up. So grab your unit, buy it now, and definitely you'll be happy. Once again, thank the Menandi family for having had that confidence in us and given their land to us for development, and I'm sure at the end of it, all will be happy. You as customers, the landowners, and of course we as developers for having delivered a good product to you. The contractors have been appointed, and we've had the groundbreaking only yesterday, and work has commenced. So thank you for having confidence in us, and if you really need a home, please go ahead, do buy. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Razak, for your enlightening words. Well, after hearing Praveer, Swaroop, and of course Mr. Razak, if you still haven't booked Prestige Primrose Hills, your dream home, then I don't know what you're waiting for. Starting at 32 lakhs only, a 1-bedroom in South Bangalore, unheard of. Take out your checkbooks, book online immediately. To all the wonderful audience, thank you so much for logging in and watching us virtually. Really, virtually, is that what the world has come to? Anyway, do not wait any further. You have many options that Prestige has brought to you. You can call our sales executive, you can log in online, watch a virtual tour, or visit our show homes. But book your home before it's too late. Such prices and offers will never come again. Trust me. As we are live on different platforms, many of you have lots of questions to ask. We have Praveer with me here, who is more than happy to take as many questions as possible. And here we go. Our first question, obviously, is this an affordable development by Prestige Group?
Prestige Primrose Hills is a premium residential project with all makings of a hallmark prestige product. You have lush green open spaces, you have a full feature clubhouse, you have beautiful layouts and all amenities. Despite all of this, it comes at a very affordable price of 32.6 lakhs onwards. Add to it, on one bedroom units, you just have 1% GST, and you can also avail benefits under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana scheme. So what are you waiting for? It is as affordable as it gets, and prestige products starting at just 32 lakhs. Go for it.
Really? Prestige has actually come up with a project for only 32 lakhs onwards? Wow, and only at 1.1% GST? That's brilliant. Oh wow, another question popping up. Are you ready for that?
Yes, absolutely.
Is this a phased development? And what are your timelines of this?
It is a RERA registered development. It will be developed in two phases. Phase 1 will come up by May 2024 and Phase 2 will come up by September 2024 for possession. Right now, we have opened bookings for Phase 1, which will be coming up for completion by May 2024.
That's wonderful. Wow. Oh, there are a lot of people. Let's take this. What are the home loan options available on Prestige Primrose Hill? That one is a definite sure shot customer.
Today, we are seeing historic lows as far as home loan rates are concerned. We have our partners offering as low interest rate as 6.95%, and we have all the leading financial institutions today offering a home loan on Prestige Primrose Hills. SBI, ICICI Bank, HDFC, L&T, Axis Bank, all of these banks have finance option available on Prestige Primrose Hills.
Aha. I think a lot of people have heard that and they are definitely going to get their home loans to buy Prestige Primrose Hills. I do not live in Bangalore. Is there any option to do a virtual site visit and a book remotely? I think I can answer that. Of course, it's there on our website. Log in www.prestigeconstructions.com and do it right now. So that means actually we achieved what we wanted. People from Bangalore who don't live in Bangalore are actually logging in. That's brilliant.
Absolutely. Thanks to our efforts of the Corpcom department, we now have an option where we can virtually showcase the entire project along with the show homes to you while you're sitting at your home. We can take you through all the project details. We can also send you a payment link by which you can pay and book while sitting at the comfort of your home. So please don't hesitate. You don't need to do an actual site visit if you don't want to. We will do everything for you while you are at your home.
Like I said earlier, what has life come to? Virtual. So stay in the comfort of your home, do a virtual site visit with your family, neighbors, all the people who actually help in your decision. And if you heard him right, you can do your payments online. You don't need to do anything more. Just one website, prestigeconstructions.com. Another question. Does one need to go for home loans to avail the EMI holiday offer, or do we have that?
Absolutely. Like I discussed in my presentation to you, we have an EMI holiday offer where your EMIs can start by January 2022. But you definitely need to go for a home loan for that. So we have select home loan institutes offering this scheme in the initial launch period only. Please register with them, go for a home loan and avail of this offer.
Well, Prestige has a lot of tricks up their sleeve and I think it is brilliant. Oh, another question. Who will be the construction partner? Obviously, because you said you're going to have the first phase ready in 2024. So who's the person who's actually going to help you complete that?
Even before we have launched the project, we have already finalized and awarded the construction contract. And the construction contract has been given to JMC Projects India Limited, which is one of the largest and most renowned companies in this field. So be rest assured, we will definitely have good quality construction and will deliver your dream home to you as per the defined timelines.
Wow, कितनी अच्छी जोड़ी है. पहले प्रेस्टीज ग्रुप, उसके साथ JMC. तो आपका ड्रीम मकान तो सोचिए, it's not a dream anymore, it's become a reality. Thank you, my dear Praveer, my colleague. Thank you so much. I'm sorry we couldn't take any more questions, but if we have missed taking any of your questions, we will definitely get back to you. Am I right? Don't hesitate. Call us on 84960 84960. If you missed that, 84960 or the best option, prestigeconstructions.com. Bhulega mat. We'll see you on the other side. Well, Uzma Irfan, your host for the afternoon, is signing off. Thank you once again for being with us. But remember to stay safe. We pray for you and your family's safety and well-being. Have a wonderful and a beautiful day. See you soon, inshallah.